Hi, in the upcoming videos, I will show you how we can create 3D games with block coding, or you can say we just need to do some basic drag and drop and we just need to write very basic code. We can create 3D game using one platform. I will show you step by step how we can create this game in the upcoming videos. Firstly, I will show you the game demo. So you can see the endless game and the coding bus. And one most important thing is you can create this type of game from scratch, or you can use the template also. You can publish that template game in Play Store or other store and you can earn money using that game. So let me just show you that game demo, game UI. Okay, so let's click on the play button to start this game. Oh. So if you want to know how we can build this type of game, so just comment on the video yes or no. Then tomorrow we will learn from scratch how we can create this game, and we will learn how we can use the template to use existing component to create this whole game. If you want to know more about this, so just subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Happy coding. Bye bye.